Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. You've guessed it. We're doing a clown makeup look. It's gonna be Halloween in a couple of weeks, and I'm giving you options, guys. You know, doing something glamorous but spooky. If you're interested, please stay tuned and let's get started. I did have camera in my foundation, and now we're gonna start with the clown makeup look. I hope it's gonna look more or less decent, but let's start with my eye primer. I'm using my NYX eye primer. Simple Beauty eyeshadow palette has really beautiful silver color and gray and black. Those colors we're going to be using today. And I'm going to grab a little bit of white to set my lid. I will start with this gray every cloud color. Here's my protection, though I don't really need this because we will do a lot of color underneath. I'm going to pack my eyeshadows like that in the outer corner, and I'm just fading away in the inner corner this gray color. Let's grab a little bit different shade from the palette. Maybe let's play with a little bit of blue. Let's grab blue. In the inner corner, I want to do a combination of colors. So if you don't have these shades, go ahead and use silver lining or maybe like silver color. And if you have Beauty Bay Fiery 2.0 eyeshadow palette, this is super pretty color. I really love it. The name is Firework. And let's wrap a flat brush wet with a beauty blender and get it on. We're going back to the same big and fluffy brush and diffusing this a little bit, blending out. Adding a little bit of silver lining with my finger on top like that. And in the inner corner of my eye, I'm doing this shade, Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. Now I will start with my points. We're definitely going to be creating a triangle. I have my pencil. This is navy blue from Sephora with this part of my brow going up, I guess, to this point. Your line doesn't have to be super pretty, like perfect line. Going down a little bit like that. Now let's go to the point of my brow, the highest point of my brow. Just mark it. And then another point is going to be right here where my temples are. I'm kind of creating a curvy shape a little bit lower than the actual brow. We're going to this part of my eye and connecting both of these lines. More like a round shape. Let's try to fill this in with the same pencil. You can use something different. If you have some face paints, use face paints, or go with like eye pencils as I'm using right now. Going down. And I'm gonna stop in this area because now I want to add some color and blend this into my look. I'll use my flat brush and the color 1999 navy blue, add on top of the previous color. And I'm gently patting this color in my previous shades. And let's curve this line underneath my brow. It's a little bit more precise. And with the previous brush, we used to create this gray outer corner moment. I'm just blending, diffusing, and smoothing everything out. We're kind of like mirroring these colors together. I'm sharpening the pencil. Okay, I'm gonna place the same eye pencil over my waterline, and from this part, not exactly in the tear dot, a little bit further from my tear dot, it comes where the pupil of the eye, so like watching straight, and then I'm going down, and I will draw the line almost to the end of the nose. The second line is going from the outer corner, basically where the eye ends. And let's fill in. If it's not super intense, it's fine because we're going on top with the same eyeshadows and a flat brush. I'm gonna tap it off and place it right here. And on the side, let's put a little bit more glitter because I feel like we can do this. Why not? I have my brush. Let's use this type of color. I want to place it a little bit closer to the line in the outer corner. For the same spots, I have a glitter palette from NYX. This is super pretty glitter. It's sort of like navy. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Navy blue. Just patting this on top of the previous shade. Maybe a little here. I wanted to find the sharp lines with a silver eyeliner. This is from Givenchy. You can use any silver eyeliner, or you can go with black. And I will do only this on the tips, like that. Of course, there's going to be a couple of gems on top, and I will do black eyeliner right here to define my line a little bit more. Yeah, it's going to be a pain in the ass to take off all this glitter, but if you're doing this makeup look, not to ruin your skin layer on, always use sticky tape. Sticky tape is going to take off a majority of your glitter, and then you're going to go to wash off any leftovers of your makeup. And I'm doing a little bit of glue on top. I'm getting this gem. Okay, so I'll be back with my lashes, mascara, and hopefully my left eye. I have silver pencil. Let's do it with silver. I'm gonna create a circle. Let's fill this in with the same pencil. My pencil that I used to create the whole look. A little bit different brush. Tiny little brush. I will set with the same 1999 color. This is navy blue. Just want to set this shape. In the center, I will do maybe this color, firework, and then mix in a little bit of silver lining. Let's create lip combination. We're pretty much done with the look. I'm using my MUA Makeup Academy. This is Velvet Matte Lawn Wear Liquid Lip. And now I want to do a little bit different shape. It's some sort of like smile, and we're going to prolong the line. And I will probably still use the same eye pencil as I used for this side. With a little bit different brush. Liner brush. I will try to pick up some product on this brush. And we're extending the corners. What is going on, guys? I actually have some talent, I guess. Not talent, but at least I can do at least something basic. Let's add a little bit of maybe this glitter on the sides. Silver. You know what? I was thinking, what if I add on the sides a little bit more of the 1999 shade, because we're going to emphasize those lines from my eye pencil. This is spooky. Super spooky. I'm gonna real quick change and we're gonna conclude the video. Okay guys, and this is the final result. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, let me know in the comments. Try to recreate this quite simple makeup look. It takes time, it takes energy, and of course it's not gonna be super easy to recreate this makeup look within like maybe 5 minutes, but if you take your time, it's worth it. It's really glamorous clown. It's a little bit spooky, but not super spooky, I guess. Not the way with the changing the color of your eye, not with wigs and, you know, a lot of blood and whatever. No, it's just a little bit of a glamorous option for you to consider. And I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, guys. Love you so much, and I'm gonna see you in the next video, hopefully. Bye bye.